CSS box model. In CSS, the term box model is used when we're talking about design and layout. In other words, any element in HTML considered as a box. Now in this example, you can see the element like paragraph or span considered as a box, right? The CSS box model is essentially a box that wraps around every HTML element. Okay, so it consists of margins, borders, padding, and also the actual content. Right now, here is now this image actually illustrates how box model looks like. Okay. Right, so what now, you know, this is the content. Now, for example, if you think about now in from the front view, the box model looks like this, right? So if you think a paragraph, right, now we have an actual content, right? Now content of the box, right, where the text and images appear, is called the content area. Right now, in this case, in this particular area, and then you can see border, right? So border now, so the area between the border and the content is called the padding, right? So in other words, the padding is the area around the content, right? So basically, it's a transparent area. Okay, and then we have the border. So border that usually goes around padding and the content. Okay, and then there is a margin. Right. So the margin is actually clears an area outside the border. Margin also transparent. In other words, it's the distance between the element, the existing element, and then the other element, right? That's the distance. That's called the margin. Okay. So this is the front view, and then the side view looks like this, right? And you can see the border, and then the contents lies inside that border, and then you can see a transparent padding, and also you can see we can have a background image. You can put the background image as well as background color into that particular element, right? But the thing is this, you can see the background element, the background image and the background color. If the size of the background color and background image is, if it is the same, and you can't see the background color, right, unless it is a transparent, right? So in each element we can actually have a bunch of what do you call characteristics that we can adjust using CSS: margins, padding, contents, border, background image, background color, right, width and height of an element. So all these things or properties can be adjusted by using CSS. So that's what we are going to learn next.